Namaste children. In the previous class we have discussed how to find median for group data. Once they give a discontinuation data, then we convert it into continuous. Then after we calculated the cumulative frequencies, then n by 2 value we calculated, and from n by 2 value we identify where the median class interval lies, the frequency. So the formula we used L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h, that is the median. Now in the same exercise 14.3 we have one question, which question number 2, finding the missing frequency if the median is given. Look at the board. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y, where the x and y are nothing but the missing frequency in the table. Class intervals are given. Frequency total is 60. This is the total. Frequency total is 60. Frequency total is 60. Observe the question carefully. So we are going to find we are going to find the value of x and y. So for that, first solution we write class intervals as it is. The next we write frequency. The next column is cumulative frequency, CF. What is the meaning of CF? Cumulative frequency. What is CF? Cumulative frequency. How to obtain cumulative frequency? By adding. First one we write same. By adding the successive frequencies to obtain the cumulative frequencies. So now 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. That is the last class interval over here. Next, frequencies we have 5, then x, then 20, next 15, next y, then 5. The total frequency, which is nothing but n, is equals to 60, is given in the question. Now cumulative frequencies we are calculating. Cumulative frequencies. So cumulative frequencies, see a first one we write as it is 5. Next one 5 plus x. 5 plus x. Now for this you are adding 20. 5 plus 20, 25 plus x. 25 plus x. Next 25 plus x plus 15. 25 plus x plus 15, that is 40 plus x. Now 40 plus x plus y. So 40 plus x plus y. Then 40 plus x plus y plus 5. That is 45 plus x plus y. Observe it. 5 we wrote as it is. Then succeeding frequency we are adding. We cannot add these two. That's why we are writing as 5 plus x. Then 5 plus 20. 25 plus x. We can add the numbers but not the variables. We are writing as it is the variable. Now 45 plus x plus y, which total is equals to 60. So here I am writing 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. X plus y is equals to 60 minus 45, which will give you 15. X plus y is equals to 15. X plus y, observe it, this total is equal to 60. The last column of the cumulative frequency should be equal to total frequency. So 45 plus x plus y is equals to 60. Transpose 45 that side. 60 minus 45, you will be getting 15. So x plus y is equals to 15. Now n by 2, as we know the median formula, I will write the formula over here. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. So first you need to identify where median class lies. That is, so n by 2. What is n by 2 value? 60. So n by 2. N is equals to 60. N by 2 is equals to 60 by 2, which will be 30. Which will be 30. So n by 2, the total value of the frequencies is 60, n is equals to 60. We calculate n by 2, which is equals to 60 by 2 is 30. Now this 30, where it lies in cumulative frequencies? You have to check the cumulative frequencies. Will it lie here? No, 5. This is 5 plus x? No, 25 plus x. See, this value is 30, 25 plus x. So x value can be anything. X is a variable, it varies. So x is a variable. So 25 plus x. This is 30. And next value if you check, it may lie. So 40 plus x, but is too bigger than this. So 25 plus x is the median class interval. In this you underline this. This is 25 plus x. And where you are underlining that frequency in that is the f value, and median class interval, median class is 20 to 30. This is L value, lower limit is L, and f is 20, and above this preceding the cumulative frequency is CF. Preceding cumulative frequency is CF. Now we see L value is equals to 20. Then f is equals to, that is also 20. Then CF is nothing but 5 plus x. Then class size, h is the class size, h is the class size which is nothing but 10. H is equals to 10. And in the question he gave, that is median. In the question he gave median, that also we write here. Observe it. Median is equals to 28.5. This is given in the question. Median is equals to 28.5. Now we will substitute this all in this formula, which is median is equals to 28.5. So 28.5 is equals to L plus. L value is how much? 20 plus n by 2. That is n by 2 value we already got. No need to write again n 60 by 2. Directly you can take the value 30 minus CF. What is CF value we took here? That is 5 plus x. So while writing, because we have two terms over here, you need to use bracket. So 30 minus of 5 plus x. Close the bracket. Then by n by 2 minus CF. 30 minus 5 plus x we do. By f value, that is 20 into h. What is h value? Class size is 10. Class size is 10. Now 28.5 is equals to 20 plus 30. Open the bracket. If you open the bracket, 30 minus into plus, minus 5, minus into plus, minus x by 20 into 10. So next step, 28.5 is equals to 20 plus 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x by 20 into 10. So now you can calculate this part. Here you see 10 ones are 10 twos are 10 ones are 10 twos are. These two you can cancel, but don't cancel these two. Why? 25 minus x is one term. 25 is not alone. 25 minus x. So you cannot cancel these two. Without x, only 25 is there, then you can cancel. So here you cannot cancel these two. So 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So we have 28.5 is equals to 20 plus 25 minus x by 2. Now transpose this 20 this side. Transpose this 20 this side. Then 28.5 minus 20 is equals to 25 minus x by 2. 25 minus x by 2. Next, see 28.5 minus 20 will be the 8.5. 28.5 minus 20 will be 8.5. Next 25 minus x by 2 we have, which is equals to 25 minus x by 2. This is minus x by 2. Transpose to this side, it is in the denominator. If you transpose, it will multiply 8.5 into 2 is equals to 25 minus x. So 8.5 into 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17, 17.0, which is nothing but 17. As we can write 17.0 is equals to 25 minus x. See, 17.0 is nothing but 17. So transpose this 25 this side. 17 minus 25 is equals to minus x. 17 minus 25 is minus 8 is equals to minus x. Both are negative integers and having equal sign. So we can cancel that negative integer, negative number. Then we get, therefore, x is equals to 8. We are just removing the minus. We are just removing the minus. And if you interchange this side LHS to RHS, RHS to LHS, the signs will become positive. So x is equals to 8. Now you see we have x plus y is equals to 15 and x plus y is equals to 15. What we obtained x value? 8 we obtained x value. So x plus y is equals to 15. Therefore 8 plus y is equals to 15. Then y is equals to 15 minus 8, which will be 7. Y is equals to 7. Therefore x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 7. These are the missing frequencies in the question. We are just cumulative frequencies we are taking, then we are calculating n by 2 value. We check where it lies, then we consider the values which we obtained from the table like this, then substitute in the formula. We are using median L plus n by 2 minus f by f into h. I hope you understood how to calculate missing frequencies for the median in the group data. So now we see one more question from exercise 14.3, that is, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to the persons having aged 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So policy will be started from 18 years and up to 60, less than 60 years they are considering. So total 100 people are there in that. He took a survey, found the data distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. So you have to find out the median age. Median age, that means median of the data you have to calculate. See the data, in previous questions we had class intervals, then frequency, and you see, observe this, below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, this is below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55, below 60. And number of policy holders, that is nothing but the frequency, number of policy holders, that is nothing but frequency. Here, number of policy holders, number of policy holders, observe it here, frequency is in increasing order. When the frequency is in the column, frequency, number of policy holders is in increasing order till the last, that means we need to think whether are these frequencies or cumulative frequencies, another word. See, 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, last is 100. What is given in the question also? There are 100 policy holders. 100 policy holders. That means this is in cumulative frequencies. So you need to get frequencies. What exactly the frequencies? And data is given below 20, below 25. Then how to identify the class intervals? You need to convert the data into class intervals. You see 20 to 25, 25 to 30. What is the class size? 5 is the class size. What is the class size? 5 is the class size. So first below 20 we start, right? Below 20 this you can write as 15 to 20. 15 to 20. Why we are taking the class size is 15 and next to start 20 to 25, 25 to 30 like that. So 30 to 35. So below 20 means 15 to 20. Observe it. I wrote 15 to 20 and the policy is starting from where? Age 18 years. So age 18 years means that lies in this class interval 15 to 20. Next will be 20 to 25. Next will be 25 to 30. Next will be 30 to 35. 35 to 40. 40 to 45. Next 45 to 50. Then 50 to 55. Next 55 to 50 to 55. 55 to 60. 55 to 60. 15 to 20. Below 20 means 20. 15 to 20. Then 20 to 25. 25 to 30. 30 to 35. 35 to 40. 40 to 45. 45 to 50. 55 to 50. 50 to 55. 55 to 60. Now, cumulative frequencies are already given in the question, that is 2, then 6, then 24, then 45, then 78. Next, after 78 you have 89. Next after you have 92. Next after you have 98. Then after you have 100. This is the last column. So these are in increasing order. That's why these are cumulative frequencies. Now you have to get frequencies. How we got cumulative frequencies when the frequencies are given? By adding the succeeding frequencies. First we write as it is, then the next one we were adding. So now you have to subtract to get the frequencies. So first one you write as it is, 2, subtract from this. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 24 minus 6 is 18. 45 minus 24. 45 minus 24 is 21. Next, 78 minus 45. Observe it. 78 minus 45. 8 minus 5. 3, 7 minus 4. So that is 33. Next, 89 minus 78. 89 minus 78. So 89, 78 if you subtract, 78 minus 89 minus 78, 18 minus 9, that is 8. So you will be having here 8. Then 92 minus 89, 92 minus 89 will give you 3. Next, 98 minus 92 will give you 98 minus 92 will give you 6. Then 100 minus 98 will give you 2. So these are in increasing order. That's why these are cumulative frequencies. From the cumulative frequencies we are obtaining frequencies by subtracting. First one we write as it is. By subtracting the next, this minus this will give you this. This minus this will give you this. Now if you add, the total must be 100. The total must be 100. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 18, 24. 24 plus 21, 45. 45 plus 33, 88. 88 plus 88. So here it is 9. Here it is 9. 88. 7. Observe it. 78 minus 45 is 33. 89 minus 78. 89 minus 78. This is 11. Sorry here. This is 11. This is 11. I'm sorry. 89 minus 78. 89 minus 78. 89 minus 78 will give you 11. So I'm very sorry here. 11. Now next 33. Observe it. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 18, 24. 24 plus 21, 45. 45 plus 3, that is 78. 78 plus 11, 89. 89 plus 3, 92. 92 plus 6, 98. 98 plus 2, 100. This is how you have to check again. So here n is equals to 100. N is equals to 100. Now you need to calculate n by 2 is equals to 100 by 2, which will give you 50. Now you write all those values. Here you can write the values n by 2. What is the median formula? Median median m is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here L value n by 2 we got 50. You need to identify where it lies. Where it lies. The median class you have to identify. 50 in cumulative frequencies you observe. In cumulative frequencies 50, 2, 6, 24, 45. So it won't lie here. The next one is 40. This is 70. So in this you need to underline. This you underline completely. So this is median class you are identifying. This is 78. You see 50 is there. So it won't lie here. It lies in the next class interval. That is 35 to 50. And the data is continuous data. So this is F value and this is L value. Observe it. I am marking everything in the table. This is L value. This is F. Above that in cumulative frequency is CF. So L is equals to 35. L is equals to 35. Then F is equals to 33. Then CF is equals to 45 and H class size is equals to, from the formula you see L value we got here, n by 2 value we got 50, CF we got 45, then F value 33 and H is the class size, that is 5. H is class size. So this is very important, how to convert the data when they give below or more. Sometimes they may give more also. Similar way, you need to convert if they give cumulative frequencies by subtracting from the bottom. So it depends on the data, how the data is given. So now here below 20, below 25. So 20, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. The cumulative frequencies. From this we obtain these frequencies. Now we are substituting in the formula median m is equals to, that is L value 35 plus n by 2 value is 50 minus CF cumulative frequency is 45 by F value is how much? 33 into H, that is the class size is 5. 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5 by 33 into 5. Now, can you cancel this? No, you cannot cancel. 5 5s are 25. So, next step 35 plus 25 by 33. Now, convert this 25 by 33 into decimal. 25 by 33 into decimal part. Here I am writing the rough column. Rougher can read here 25. You are dividing 25 with 33. So we cannot 0 point. So 33 zeros are 0. So 25 minus 0. Then put a point 0. 8. 7 table. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 plus 2. 23. 9 and 4 minus 3 1 0. 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18. So 6 if you take 6 3s are 18 and 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. So not suitable. Then go for 5. 5 into 33. 5 3s are 15 and 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. This is 5. 8 minus 6 2. So it is going to continue like that. We will stop up to 2 decimal places in this 0.75. So 35 plus 0.75, which is equals to, see here I am writing here again, which is equals to 35.07, 35 plus 0.75, which will be equal to 35.75. So approximately you can write what he is asking, median age approximately 35.75 means it is rounded to 36, or you can write 35.75. So therefore the median age 35.75 or 36 years, approximately you can take it as 36 years or 35.75 approximately 36 years. I hope you understood how to calculate median age for this data. Data is given as below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35 like this. We converted that as a continuous class intervals, and the given this thing is total cumulative frequencies are given. From the cumulative frequencies we obtain frequencies. What is the necessary to convert frequencies? Because you need to identify where the median class lies, where the frequency lies. So that for that we are converting that into cumulative frequencies to frequencies. I hope you understood. And see here, I told you median age is 35.75 or 36 years. When you make it as a round figure 36, like 18, 19, 20 years, 21 years, then only it is necessary to write as 36. If not, you can write as 35.75 years. 35.75 years is the median age years. And next, now you have homework questions here. Exercise 14.3, question number 6 and 7, page number 289. Same median formula. What is the median formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here 35.75 or I told you 36, because when you are making as round figure 36, that's why I wrote 36, but exact answer we got as, if you continue the division, it may be leaving one more, you may get one more. When you round off, then it may be 37 point. So 35.75 is the median. So I took only up to 2 decimal places. Some people will calculate up to 3 decimal places, then they may round off to the nearest tens or hundreds place. So the median age is 35.75, and your homework questions are exercise 14.3, question number 6 and 7, page number 289. I hope you understood how to calculate median, for the grouped data. Formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Is it clear, children, for everyone? Is it clear? Yes. Thank you.